Okay, guys, hi and welcome back. And this time, we've come out with a sale for the bottoms. Primarily, they are uh, trousers, cargos, and denim and jeans. And these are all new articles, which are comparatively, which articles are the odd pieces which haven't sold in the last 1 month. So you will get good quality. These prices earlier were more, but they are all single leftover pieces. So we are giving you a really crash price. So it's a very good price we are going to give you. So please do order them as soon as possible. First come first basis पे order करिएगा. There are two numbers flashed there in the in the caption, so you can order as soon as possible. So it's on first come first basis. So thank you very much, everybody, for the support. And very important thing, a point that there is no exchange and there is no refund and no return during the sale. So this is a sale. We'll come out with a new collection very soon in a couple of days. For now, you can enjoy the sale and get crazy prices. Like I promise you, you will not get any. All the best. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are starting with the bottoms. The sale on the bottoms. These are all leftover pieces, authentic. This is Kenneth Cole 4-pocket chinos. You can see what a beautiful piece it is. It's 30-31, and you'll all get a very nice price for this. This is what 32. Shipment pack condition. You can see this beautiful pieces. Shipment pack condition. Crazy price मिलने वाला है. जल्दी आप order करिए. These are cotton chinos. 4-pocket. It's got lycra at the back. Stretchable. Very trendy. Very classy.
36.
Okay, guys. So this is a 36. We have 30, 32, and a 36. And इसमें हम बताना चाहते हैं कि there is stretchable. It is stretchable from the waist. 1.5 इंच का stretch है. Slim fit है. Cotton है chinos. And their current article इसी month का sourcing है. You're going to get a flat price. So the crazy price for this would be 750 now. 750. Only 750. You can quickly order. These are on first come first basis क्योंकि हमारे पास ये होता है कि single product का बहुत सारे customers होते हैं. So you quickly order, send in your queries. And please send us your name, address and phone number for shipping purpose. We'll send you the scanner. You can make the payment accordingly. So this is again 36. A lovely chino. 36 single piece, all flat. 750. We're giving you 750 for all these. It's another beautiful piece. Kenneth Cole, size बताइए.
36.
Khaki cotton. Okay, now this is Columbia. Size I think is 34. एक बार देखते हैं. ये देखिए 34. Lovely olive green, very nice pockets. So you're getting it at a very crazy price, 750. The actual price is about 7 to 8,000 online on various sites if you convert the currency as well. So lovely pockets and everything, and slight stretch. 750 flat, size 34. Quickly you can order just one piece in Columbia.
Waist 30.
Okay, viewers, Zara store article, you can see the price. So probably last year's article, about 5,000. So beautiful article you're getting at flat 850. Yes, good. So you can see a beautiful piece, 850 flat.
That's nice.
32 is the waist, right? Store article you can quickly order. 32. Columbia. ये देखिए 6-pocket Columbia, very nice fabric. Again इसमें olive green हमने पहले आपको दिखाया था. And we got a khaki, just 2 pieces, size 32. 850. And some lovely linen pants in 850, flat 850. There's a white 32. Linen pants, full length, पूरा मिलेगा इसमें.
For office purpose.
Yeah. Can be worn in office. These are formal pants, linen pants. Looks very nice with loafers.
34.
This is 34? 34, yes. A beige color, 34. Price, Pawan?
850.
Good, 850.
36.
36, 850. Linen pants, Zara,
Linen,
authentic,
yeah.
shipment pack. Quickly order. Okay, so another white. Again 36, 34. We'll measure 36. It measures 36. हल्का सा stretch है.
Stretchable.
And
850.
quality is good. ये देखिए खींच रहा हूँ. No problem. We've sold these pieces here. No issues. And take these. 850. Yeah. This is a smaller size. I think 30.
30.
Yeah. This
30,
is 30.
31.
30, 31. Price
850.
850. ये मिल गया था तो ये Kenneth Cole इसका प्राइस क्या था 750
750.
750 right yeah
32.
32 beautiful piece yeah Kenneth Cole cotton. And viewers one last piece I'll tell you the size 34 in this beige 34 Step वो price 850
850. सर इसको थोड़ा डिस्काउंट कर दो इसमें पीछे
इसमें
थोड़ा
क्या कुछ
ये
है
defect
problem?
है।
अच्छा व्यूअर्स ये प्रॉब्लम है तो ये 500 में जा सकता है
Wash में चला जाएगा ये तो
वॉश में चले जाएगा 500 में बिल्कुल जैसे पवन ने नोटिस किया ये कभी कभी लग जाता है किसी कस्टमर ने ट्राई किया या कुछ हो सो विल गिव यू 500 फ्लैट
Good.
थैंक यू ओके गाइस टॉमी हिलफिगर स्ट्रेचेबल डेनिम
38.
लास्ट पीस इन दिस सो दैट्स अबाउट 38 प्लस स्ट्रेचेबल है यू गेट अ फ्लैट प्राइस 950 very good isn't it Pawan knows about it he's going to tell you the rates okay now this is Beverly Hills will be 800 flat 800 38
साइज 38
जी
वेस्ट 32
इसमें एक और पीस है Beverly Hills में 800 flat 800
800. Bubbles.
Beverly Hills.
सिंगल आर्टिकल्स है आप जल्दी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं फ्लैट 800 गैंट
Gant.
साइज
30.
या
950.
950
दिस वन नाइस
Zara straight fit pants very nice fabric authentic over 4000 का article है fabric is really crazy store
54.
article size 34 large you get this for flat 750
750.
these denim cargos you'll get for 800
800.
31 I think 31 size है ये
31.
ठीक है Hollister 800 flat 32 size
32.
पॉलिस्टर
Polyester.
Bershka size 29
29.
wide broad leg cargo
Cargo.
800 flat 800 unisex article है
Unisex. Unisex.
La Martina
La Martina.
size 38 40 40 है stretchable भी है I think है ना 39 38 39 yeah.
La-
so 950
950. This is nice.
G Star anti fit if you see this goes like this and these are expensive button flies G Star raw आप देखेंगे ये देखिए ये थोड़ा सा बस रैक्स पे थोड़ा डस्टी है और कुछ नहीं है आफ्टर वॉश इसमें और ग्रेस आएगा साइज इसमें है 34
सर
So
इसका क्या
आपको-
प्राइस है?
इसका आपको क्रेजी प्राइस हम दे देंगे 800 दे देंगे
800
लास्ट आपको 800 मिल जाएगा इसका एक्चुअल प्राइस इज अबाउट 14-15,000 ऑथेंटिक पीस है 200% की गारंटी है आपको ओरिजिनल ही मिलेगा उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा सो दिस इज अमेजिंग आर्टिकल यू आर गेटिंग फॉर 800 साइज
जी।
इसका बता देते हैं पवन इसका साइज है 35 36 को भी आ सकता है
36 को भी है.
So anyone 34 to 36 can carry this. You're getting a crazy price. Emporio
Emporio
Armani.
Armani.
Now this is at a crazy price, viewers. जो पीसेस हमारे बटन्स के साथ थे वो हमने बेचे हैं 4000 प्लस के. अब ये पीस सिंगल पीस हैं
सर इस पे
950.
डिस्काउंट कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल कर दिया 950 कर दिया बिल्कुल कर दिया ये देखिए 34 ये देखिए नीचे
दिस वन नाइस
Pawan's been telling me we have to do these sales once in 10 days. Viewers के लिए है ये. This is just a token of gratitude
Is it
from our
32?
side. we are giving these prices 32. Fubu is the brand. ये देखिए नीचे से you can adjustable है और straight fit है. So beautiful American elastic weight jeans है.
This is unique, sir.
Size 32 950. ये पवन देंगे इसका रेट. दे दो पवन, कोई बात नहीं. कितना होना चाहिए?
788.
700. ओके.
Only and Sons.
एक पवन की तरफ से 700. ये क्या है?
Only and Sons.
Only and
Yes.
Sons rugged stretchable 700. Slim fit men's. हम आपको लेडीज के आर्टिकल कुछ भी नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. They all men's. Okay now रोबोतो कवाली. इन सब के स्टैंडर्ड रेट है 950. So this is I think a 31, 32. Stretchable है. पीछे से दिखा भी सकते हैं. So रोबोतो में सिर्फ 2 पीस हैं. इसके बड़े साइजेस सारे सोल्ड हैं पहले. That is a 32. This is a 33 I think.
32, 33,
This is a 34.
34.
34 stretchable.
950.
950 flat. Okay, Izod viewers. Again 34 plus. I think this is 34. Yeah, 34,
34.
35. American brand. 950 flat.
950.
इसका DKNY cargo will give you a good price. 800 flat.
800.
32
32.
straight fit. And there you go.
This one nice.
This is very nice, yeah. So पीछे से they've the factory is mutilated. Anybody who likes it can just get this ripped off from a tailor. So ये odd नहीं लगेगा. बाकी piece authentic है. DKNY is a luxury brand. So you're getting it at flat 800.
800.
ANF ice wash 950.
950.
I think straight fit है ये. And size है इसका 32. इसका base जो है, the base must be 9 I think because it's a straight fit. ये देखिए 9.
9.
Okay, so straight fit, ice wash, very neat and clean condition. ANF, Abercrombie and Fitch. You're getting at a crazy price 950. Neat and clean. ये last week का article है.
Price.
So lovely olive green. 950 at a reduced price. From our
36.
previous sale, probably half of what we had offered earlier. ये इसलिए हम ऑफर करते हैं व्यूअर्स बिकॉज दीज आर लेफ्ट ओवर पीसेस. दीज आर एडिशनल पीसेस जो सेल होने के बाद जो बच जाते हैं वो है कि तभी ऑड साइजेस हैं. इनमें साइजेस नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. 38 a lovely color beige. 38
2XL.
950.
2XL.
इसमें भी 38 है व्यूअर्स इन दिस लाइट ग्रे. शिपमेंट पैक खोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. व्यूअर्स ने देख लिया इसका स्टाइल. ऑथेंटिक बहुत अच्छा फैब्रिक है.
950.
950.
950.
हर प्रोडक्ट में रेट बताइए.
30.
Size 13.
Size 30. Super duck. 950.
950. हर प्रोडक्ट में हम आपको रेट बता रहे हैं, साइज बता रहे हैं.
G Star.
G Star 30
30.
30 waist 950.
Boss here. This is boss here.
Good.
Straight fit cargo G Star. Okay, Gant size denim
36.
cargo.
Denim cargo. 950.
Grand.
Size बता दियो.
30.
30. So olive green
34.
size 30.
4.
28 है तो ये 32 को आएगा कंफर्टेबल. प्राइस 600.
600.
So
Jara.
this is a beautiful piece, customers. Olive green. So I request you, it's going to look very nice and you're going to get a
36.
very good price. 36 plus 36, 37,
850.
850. Yes. So linen trousers 850 shipment pack condition. बहुत ही crazy article है.
30.
जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. 30.
850. Price.
850. Now ये bottoms आप बता सकते हैं. Pawan will tell you price भी और size भी बता दीजिए.
36. 950.
36. And this one?
ये है 32 950 प्राइस 34 950 सुपर ड्राई 32 this 950 32 price 950 32 32 950 price
Musimo Dutti, a lovely trouser. You can see, you can zoom in and see the price on this. The pricing is going to be crazy. It is almost 4,500. Musimo Dutti store article. 32 is the waist. 32, 33. Very nice trousers. Just single piece, 750. We are telling you the size and price because this may there are going to be 4 prices. So we are telling you the size and price.
This one
Motion
nice.
stretch cargos, black, grayish black color. And the size if we see is 32, 33. Stretch करेंगे तो ये जाएगा 34, 35. So lovely trousers, good for 32 to 34. Again 750.
750
Zara,
Zara
this particular article, this is a very high end article. इसका MRP around 5,000 होता है. तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना प्यारा आर्टिकल है. Formal trousers, checks, very nice.
Awesome.
Executive class. You can wear it with a white or a black shirt. Formal trouser. ये 5,000 का trouser आपको मिलेगा 750 में. So you can
750.
quickly grab your order, send us your query and book this piece. 32 is the size.
30
Perfect for 32. Again Columbia,
Columbia.
32, 34.
34
Cotton, cargo. Just single piece, 750.
750
So guys, you can quickly order. This is I think a 36. Super Dry is the brand. Gabardine cotton, 36. 36 waist.
This one nice.
They're very nice. Yeah, you can see the beautiful work on it all over. So flat 750. And you can
750
see 750 plus shipping. So you can quickly order these as soon as possible. So now we are showing you some more bottoms. These are going to be flat 600. 600.
600.
Second bunch of bottoms
H&M.
flat 600. H&M.
H&M.
Size बताते जाइए.
32
32. 600. Fred Mello
Fred Mello
pajama pants. Now
32.
these are I think 31, 32. 31, 32. Shipment pack. इसमें सारे छोटे साइज ही बचे हैं. This is 31. Good enough for a 31. यहाँ stretch दिखाइए. 31. Flat 600. You get these
600
pants. Fred Mello cotton pants, paper cotton. Timberland cargo.
Timberland 36
It's a big size. Flat 600. 36.
36
No exchange, no return. You can quickly order. US shipment. 36. Straight fit. ये देखिए Blackberry.
Blackberry
This is a size 32. Slim fit cotton chinos. Price 600.
600
600. No rejects, no used. Everything is going to be neat and clean and fresh. 28, 29. US Polo
US
flat 600.
600
Okay, this is Dockers. दिखाइए. 32. A
32.
lemon color. 600.
600
ये देखिए कितना प्यारा
Dockers.
पीस है. But probably US shipment होगा ये. So this is again a
size
2 I think. Yeah,
2.
32.
32.
All flat 600. These linen pants 600. Size
600
32. H&M.
32 H&M
Linen. Pajamas. H&M. And 600 is the price. So we're giving you crazy prices. Single article leftover sale है ये from last week. 34.
600
Cotton joggers. And H&M is the brand. And we see the waist. These are 34 plus stretch.
34.
Plus stretch. So 34, 36. 600. Again 600. Lovely cotton joggers.
34
It's got
size.
elastic waist at the band on the waist and at the bottom.
Nice
So
fabric.
size बता दिया आपने 34.
34
Okay, this is Gap
yeah
cotton.
32
This is cotton straight fit. Joggers, straight fit.
Jogger.
And it's got this adjustable. You can even, it can contract and it can stay like this straight, parallel. So very smart piece. It's a beautiful piece. You get it at flat 600. And size, एक मिनट इसको नाप देते हैं because this is a single piece. So it's on sale. So we are giving you most of these articles are much below our cost price. So we see this is 32 plus. For this
Timberland.
600.
36
36 plus 38 I think 38
38
blue cotton. ये गलत है, ये
38.
actually export का है. Once the shipment is gone, they have wrong labeling over there. The product is
600.
original, but इसमें फिर वो tags वगैरह नहीं डालते and everything. So कभी-कभी wrong tags आ जाते हैं. So the product is neat and clean and authentic. So and at this price कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. This is my assurance. 600 flat. ये देखिए the same Gap. I think a size 29, 28, 29. 28, 30. 30. Good for 30.
30
Flat 600. Again, these khaki cargo Gap is the brand. 32.
32
Again, 6 pocket.
640
Size 32. Slight either dust stain hai. This will go after a wash. We'll give it to you for 500 flat. It's got Velcro pockets. 500 plus shipping. Every article shipping is compulsory because we are giving these at very crazy price. So you can quickly order. Again Gap. Size बताइए. I think 34.
34
Yeah. 34.
30
600.
600
Okay. These lowers, last few
North
pieces.
Face.
750 for these lowers.
750
North Face.
North.
750. So just lucky customers can quickly own it. It's a summer
large.
article. Large is the size and it goes up to 34. Stretch karke, yeah. So 32, 34, 750. And now you're getting Under Armour size 38 for 750.
This is nice.
Very nice article, almost over 10,000 MRP. 38 size, it's convertible. You can convert them into shorts as well.
Shorts.
So this is at an all-time low price at 750. You can quickly grab it.
yes
You can make them into shorts, or you can wear it as full trousers as well. So Under Armour is the brand.
yes shorts इसको shorts में
Okay, viewers, this is again 750 for this. This again 32, 34. Zara again 750, 32, 34.
oh,
North Face 34, 36, 750.
750
कंफ्यूजन ना रहे तो ईच प्रोडक्ट का हम प्राइस भी बता रहे हैं आपको और उसके साथ रेट बता रहे हैं आपको. ये 600 फ्रेड मेलो 32, 33,
yes
32, 33. दिस
तो
इज स्टोन
Hello.
वाइट. स्टोन वाइट कहते हैं इसको. और अमेरिकन ब्रांड है. पेपर कॉटन है. 32, 33 वेस्ट है. वेरी लाइट, अबाउट 20 ग्राम्स. 600 फ्लैट.
ये तो मेरे लिए पैक कर दो भैया.
जरूर. एंड दिस इज लिनन.
H&M.
600 H&M लिनन.
ये 32
ये देखिए फ्रेड मेलो के ये सारे हैं. दीज आर द लेफ्ट ओवर पीसेस जो ये सिंगल पीस बच जाते हैं. दे आर गोइंग एट अ क्रेजी प्राइस. नाउ यू सी दिस ऑल छोटे साइज हैं इसमें. देयर इज नो, यू विल नॉट
30.
गेट 34, 36.
30
ये सब छोटे हैं या तो बहुत बड़े हैं. 30 फ्रेड मेलो टैन कलर 30. ये दिखाइए. आई थिंक दिस इज अ 32. या दिस इज 32, 34. दिस वन. So you just get one piece in tan and 34. इसको स्ट्रेच करके भी हम दिखा देते हैं. पेपर कॉटन है. Fred Mello is the brand. 15 measurement, but with stretch easily 34, 35. So this is only one piece in big sizes. बाकी सब छोटे हैं. 30, 31, 32. Okay, so the new video for the new collection will come out soon. I know that is long due. For the last 10 days, we haven't shown you anything new. So the new range will come out very soon. It will be in a couple of days, maybe this weekend or latest by Monday. You'll have that in. But in the meanwhile, we are giving you some very nice pieces, which are leftover pieces from the last 15 days. So बहुत पुराना sale भी नहीं है ये, बहुत effectively within 1 month का sale है. And lucky customers जिनके ये sizes हैं, they can avail this offer because this offer is really mind blowing. It's between the bracket of like 600 to 950. So very affordable for authentic articles that we are showing you. So do like and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you viewers for your support. Thank you so much.